The Basotho are gifted with the ability to create magic with their hands. TY Handicrafts is one of the organizations that create memorable handicrafts that reside in many homes of tourists.
The production line brings together the creativity, experience, skills, and heart of a group of local women. The detail and precision of the designs is inspired by a colorful heritage of making craft enjoyed by the world.
Tell us about the weaving organization.
The Basotho Women Weavers Association is made up of 6 groups, and it's Hatwa Musumusadi, Helam Basadi, Elelam Basadi, the River Craft Center, and Sitati Weavers. And I come in as a marketer for the groups, and the organization that markets the groups is called Abelanang Basotho, which means let's share. So we are sharing our knowledge for work and our knowledge for the market. And we work in a way that we sit down and we do products, we do product development, we see the color trends, and we go on to the markets, to the exhibitions, and marketing through any kind of media.
What are the materials used for weaving?
Our main raw material is mohair. Raw mohair and top mohair. Top mohair is the one that's processed by a machine, but raw mohair is the one we get straight from the farmers, local farmers, and then we work it all the way to the final product. We take it from the farmer, we take out the unwanted material out of it, and then we comb it, we tease it, we spin it, we wash, we dye, and then we take it to the wall where we make our final products. And then we have wool, which we also take from the farmers through the same process, and then we do the product as well.
All the work here is done by hand, and the training comes with a lot of dedication and passion from the workers, which makes the work amazing.
It is this passion that ensures that when hung on the wall, each piece continuously conveys the message from Lesotho with love.
What kind of products do you produce?
The products we have are the wall hangings, which are called tapestries. We have rugs, we have scarves, we have other form of deco items, from cushion covers to decorative items, and we have souvenirs, like small items, and we also have a lot of felt items which are easy for tourists, like backpackers. We get a lot of backpackers here, so they are light in weight and they can just put them in their bags and then go off. But we have a lot of products, and we do custom made orders, like from our technique. You can tell us what you want and we do it. So it's the technique combined with what the market wants.
And how do tourists react towards your products?
They're usually surprised and happy. Like some don't believe we can tell a story through a product. Like our tapestries, they tell a story. They've been called by the stories. We have the gatherings, we have the new baby born, and to see a person being drawn by materials, not by hand painting or by drawing in the form of a hand. People are usually surprised and happy, and some don't understand why it's expensive when they see it in the market. But when they come here and see how intense it is to make one, that's when they realize the beauty and the value of the product. So most tourists are happy to be here and to see as the picture unfolds and it becomes a complete thing.
How do you feel about tourism and empowerment?
Most of our products are loved by tourists. So whoever comes to Lesotho would want to buy something special to remind them of where they've been and to show people back home what they have. And we feel happy when we see people coming in, and it helps us grow our businesses. Like the women here, they work here and they don't usually go out. So tourists coming in and buying, that means going back home and having something to eat for that day, and sending kids to school and having medical assistance in the form of money.
Ma'am Matebello, when tourists leave TY Handicrafts, what benefits do they leave with you as workers?
ha bahahlaodi ba ile ba fihla e ba ile ba reka ka mokgwa o nepaetseng re fumana hore re reke thepa e re kgona hore re nyolle mosebetsi ona wa rona le ho fumana meputso e bang re fumana hore re etsa meputso eo re a isa malapeng re lo fumana ditlhoko tse bang ra ditlhoka ka hara malapa isa le bana ba rona dikolong.
Now I know where I'm gonna buy my hats and my scarves. What I think of initiatives like this that empower women is that the fact that these women are probably not educated and providing for their families is very hard, as we know that we need to be educated basically to bring in money. So this is very important to them and to my experience as well. The quality of work that I've seen, I think it's spectacular. It's very different from what we used to. Normally we go to exhibitions where they have paintings or some sort of sculptures and everything. So weaving is very different from what I know, and I'm sure a lot of people would love to see what I have seen and experience what I have experienced, basically. And it was my first time to see how wool it's put together. I always wondered how they did it. As a person, I think it's about time that we put our products out in the market internationally and nationally, because I know there's a lot of people who don't know what's happening around them. So I think it's such a great initiative that needs to be put out there so that these people as well can benefit not only from the local market and also they should benefit from the international market.